Hello guys, in this video we're going to see a Bolt AI review. Bolt AI is a native macOS application that integrates various large language models into your daily tasks, aiming to enhance productivity without distributing your workflow. Unlike web-based platforms, Bolt AI operates directly on your Mac, offering a more responsive and integrated experience. It provides a fast and smooth user experience without the overhead of web-based applications, compatible with multiple LLMs including OpenAI's GPT models, Google Gemini, Anthropic's Claude, and others. Users can set up keyboard shortcuts for quick access to AI functionalities, streamlining their workflow, and it offers the ability to interact with AI directly within the applications. Bolt AI offers a one-time purchase model, providing lifetime access to the application. The approach is particularly appealing to users who prefer avoiding recurring subscription fees. Users have reported that Bolt AI is one of the fastest AI applications they've used with minimal CPU usage. Its native design ensures that it doesn't slow down other applications. Although currently Bolt AI is exclusive to macOS, limiting its accessibility to Windows and Linux users. Also, users need to provide their own API keys for accessing certain models. So, Bolt AI stands out as a robust AI assistant for macOS users, offering deep integration, speed, and privacy. Its native application design ensures a seamless experience, making it a valuable tool for professionals looking to enhance their productivity with AI. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.